How to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. Once you're here, you will see a keypad and a bottom navigation panel. Go to the bottom navigation panel and tap on Recents. Then, tap on any contact from here to call them. Once the call is connected, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner to open the control center. On top of the control center you will see a section with a microphone icon that says Phone Controls. Tap on it. As you can see, the microphone mode is now set to standard. Now, tap on Voice Isolation. This will turn on voice isolation, and this feature helps your voice come through crystal clear by blocking out ambient noises. Following these steps, you can easily turn on voice isolation on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.